Good morning everyone, Rob Howitt from RJH. Excited day. So a recent purchase, which I'm just going to do the unboxing and a little bit of a, not a review, but talk through about what I bought and why I bought it. Came yesterday, ordered it on Wednesday, arrived on Thursday. So very pleased with that. And what is it? Well, it's a communication setup for the bikes. For those of you that follow me on the channel, I use a mixture of different communications. More recently, I've started filming in 4K. So the communication setups that I've got traditionally, the Kenwoods and the Autocoms, and I've been pairing those in with the Drift Ghosts, recently the Drift 4K, and then I moved on to the Sena 10C Evo. Really good pieces of kit, really good pieces of kit. But what I wanted and what I've gone for is the Interphone Avant. The Interphone Avant. So it's I'd say it's really a Bluetooth communication setup only. What I was finding with the 4K cameras, the Sena 10C Evo and the Drift 4K, is great, but not for everyday instructing in the elements, the wet weather. Started to get misted up cameras and stuff like that, so I'm still going to be using the 10C Evo, the Sena, still going to be using the Drifts, but more sort of picking when I want to film rather than filming every day while I'm teaching. So I've gone for an Interphone Avant. I've gone for a double set, or a pair, does it call it a pair? And I've gone for a single. So, you know, one for me to transceive, two for the pupils to receive. And then, you know, when I want to do some filming, I'll pick the others on nicer days. So, what's in the box? Interphone Avant Bluetooth. Very well packaged, I must say. And what I will do is put a link below from the place where I got them. As I say, next day delivery, so can't really beat that. Nice box, worth keeping the box. I think made in Italy, which is all the Italian stuff is made nice. So when I open her up, as you can see there, I've got me two units there, and that's a single pack, so it's going to be the same. But I'm just going to open up the twin pack. So there's the two, quite cute, quite small units. And I've got 4 boxes underneath, so I'll take the boxes out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look what's in them. USB chargers. So these will be, I've got 2 of those, so you'll have one each. So there's for your USB chargers. And you've got, oh, these are nice, various little cushions for the earpieces. Adhesive for the earpieces inside, and covers for the boom. Got a couple of those. You can choose which, because I think we're going to get 2 different types of boom. Yeah, so these are good then. So we've got 2 different types of bracket to mount the unit on. We've got the 3M adhesive. So the idea would be that you can locate this on the side of your helmet, and we've got the alternate, because some people like to have the bracket. So you've got 2 different mounts which is handy. And a little toolkit which tends to be standard with that. Just good and a bad bit of advice as to where to mount the bracket. So that's all handy. Personally, I think I'm going to be going for the adhesive rather than the bracket. So that's that, and the final box would be the booms, should be, by a process of elimination. Should be the booms. Oh look, and the booms have got, so there's the earpieces, 2 earpieces with the wires. So 2 earpieces inside the helmet, the wires go into the unit. So that's good. What's actually useful as well is there's the mics. There's 2. So you've got a mic which would be suitable for a full face helmet. So you could put a sticker, put it in the full face. But you've also got the mic which is better for what we do if you've got a full a flip front helmet. So we've got the flip front. So nice to see 2 types of mic. And then I've got the boom, which is really good. Got the boom, and because I'm only using one of those because I'm transceiving, I'm instructing, so I'll have 2 of these spare because I've got 2 for the pupils, and the pupils we don't have them talking back, just listening in. So that's the setup. Really pleased. Interphone Avant. For me, better for the weather, and nice big buttons. Very simple to use. Nice to see that the mic socket is underneath the unit, and that's one of the disadvantages I found with the Sena 10C Evo, is the mic bracket is on the top, so a wet weather it's failing. So this is a way forward for me. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach it all. I'm not going to video attaching it because you know, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll see how I get on, and I might just show you at the end of the video. But just needed to take out my Autocom mouthpiece and boom. Fitted this to the Schubert helmet, so the Interphone Avant mouthpiece, boom, all connected. Autocom out, Avanti in. I put the bracket discreetly on the left, and as you can see there, nice connection. And I've tucked the wires underneath, so, and the bracket, so that should be good. Nice, easy to clip on, easy to clip off. You can see that, easy to put on, easy to put off. So Avanti, all fitted. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and yeah, speak to you later. Bye.